God is the Big Bang. Can the truth be known? The evangelism explosion.
Evangelical Christians believe that they ought to obey Jesus' command and to make disciples of all nations. Matthew 28:19. In order to help Christians carry out this great commission, Dr. James Kennedy created a door-to-door evangelism technique called Evangelism Explosion, EE. And if you're a Christian, the EE technique allows you to quickly ascertain where a person is spiritually. After introducing yourself, you are to ask questions like these to the person answering the door. Number 1, can I ask you a spiritual question? And number 2, if you were to die tonight and stand before God, and God were to ask you, why should I let you into my heaven? What would you say? Most people are curious enough to say yes to the first question. And if they say, what do you mean by spiritual question? You go ahead and you ask them the second question. And as for the second question, the EE manual predicts that the non-Christian will usually give the good works answer. And something like, God will accept me because I'm basically a good person. I haven't killed anybody. I go to church. I give to the poor. I love. In that case, the EE manual tells you to respond with the gospel, which means good news. And that is all including you, have fallen short of God's perfect standards. No good works can erase the fact that you've already sinned. But the good news is that you can be saved from the punishment by trusting in Christ, who was punished in your place. That's right. And while this technique had been very successful, some non-Christians do not respond to the 2 questions as expected. For example, one evening, Norm, decided to take the EE to the streets along with a fellow member of my church. Here's how it went. Knock, knock. Who's there? I am. God bless you.